My video is about getting rid of the ransomware called RCRU64. This video is only for the educational purposes. In the video, I will show you the negative impact of this ransomware on the files, and I will give you some recommendations on how to possibly recover at least some of your files, even though I cannot guarantee that I will help you to do that. Now, before the ransomware's attack, you're able to open the files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular ransomware may be very easily injected into the computer. So then very soon, users just realize that they can no longer access their data. The ransomware encrypts the data and damages the files. As a consequence of the ransomware attack, it is just impossible to use the data anymore. And then the ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. Of course, paying the ransom is not a good idea because this just does not guarantee the file restoration. So if you pay the ransom, you may simply waste your money. I urge you not to pay the ransom and not to waste your funds. So the ransomware reveals a special ransom note titled as Restore Your Files, and it basically repeats the same thing all over again, mentioning that the files are encrypted and that the ransom needs to be paid for file restoration. I urge you once again not to pay the ransom and not to waste your funds. The ransomware appends a special extension called FLZ to the file names. Now, to remove the ransomware, I recommend you to scan your computer with the help of reliable antivirus software. I recommend you to use Cleaner Antivirus for this goal. Go to the page combocleaner.com through your Internet Explorer browser. combocleaner.com. Other browsers and their desktop shortcuts could be damaged by this ransomware. So through Internet Explorer browser, go to the page combocleaner.com, download the application, install it, and then start researching the system. Click on the Start Scan button. Most likely the application would first of all update its anti-malware database, which is obviously essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. In advance, I want to mention that Combo Cleaner has got anti-ransomware feature, which helps to remove the ransomware and to protect the data, even though it does not decrypt the files. File decryption is a special process that is partially described in the description to this video. There is a special link which will give you more information on how to possibly recover at least some of your files, even though I cannot guarantee that I will help you to recover the files. And Combo Cleaner does not recover the files. It only removes the ransomware and protects the data from further ransomware attacks. You may upgrade to Premium and request trial in order to remove this ransomware.